We're gonna get straight into the video. So these I got from Family Dollar. I think that was $1. Dollar Tree, but I don't use those no more. These from Dollar Tree. It's two different ones. You need your money, of course. And that container I got from Dollar Tree, but the foam I got from Walmart. I think I'm gonna start using that. And you need a knife. You really don't need one. And tape. Uh, double side tape. And this is just how you fold. So when you fold, you just want to pinch that corner. You don't want to fold the whole bill. And that's just going to show you where the middle at. And then, to me, I like to put my stick not too high, but do what you want to do. For me, this would work for me. This what works for me. And I don't put it too low because I don't want it to be seen. So, and the key to finding new bills, you gotta call around. You gotta have like 3 different banks. I only got two. Uh, yeah, because a lot of banks say that they don't get new. They don't order new bills. They just get whatever I guess people from their business bring them. Because a lot of people don't like working with new bills because they get stuck together. So I guess companies bring them they want. I don't fucking know. So I suggest calling the bank before you go there. So right here, you're just gonna fold those two up, and this how I fold my bills. That like I face them towards me to fold them up. That's what works for me. And then you're gonna put your fingers in the inside. Then like keep it steady while you taping it. You'll see it in a minute. You hold it, and it don't matter if you're at the bottom if it's like a some when you do it, some of your bottoms gonna look like it's open and not so tight, but as long as it come out in the top like this, it don't matter because you're not gonna see the bottom anyway. And right here, to me, it don't matter where you tape it at, as long as you tape it and it sticks. But I do mostly take mine near the bottom, but it don't matter. And then when I'm shipping, I put at least 2 pieces of tape because when it's shipping, everybody handles packages different. And you should come out with it looking like that. Sometimes mine be different sizes, but they end up still looking like that. So right here, you'll see me putting in the paper because it makes it more sturdier, and that's the reason I don't use those no more. I switched. Right here, I was just counting out the 50, and for me, I started mine off with 4. If you start yours off with 5, continue to do that. Don't do nothing because you see somebody else doing it. And when you get 5, your first layer will be 5, your next layer is 10, and you just keep on going. I believe so. So right here you see me taping the bottom. Don't do that because you never know when you need to move it around. And so the first layer is 4, and the next layer is 10 for me. And then right here, I end up taking it down because I don't like how it looks. Because I like my middle to be lower. And it's okay if you do like have that space in there because when you put it all together, it all form together. But yeah, for me, I like my middle to be lower. I know some people like theirs to be higher, but I don't. So I'm gonna take it down and end up cutting it. And then the third layer is 16. So 4 plus 10 is 14. 14 plus 16 equals 30. So my last layer will be 20, 50 all together. And I will be recording from I won't be recording on the tripod no more because I do have the arm on this table that is made different. So I have to find a table that's flat where I can put the attachment on the side of the table too. And then later you will see me attaching like another piece of stick because I cut them too short. So fold and when I first started, I used to fold any type of way, just long as the triangles came out right. But yeah, I don't fold like this no more. Right now, what how I fold is just so simple, and I'm updating the video just to show you. But it really don't matter how you fold, as long as you going for that triangle method. As long as those triangles up in the front end, that's the only thing that matters. And like none of your tape is showing on the outside of the bouquet. It looks good to me. I don't like the little triangle look with the thousand damn triangles. I don't like that. Some people do, and that's if you like it, that's how you do your bouquets. If you don't, shit, don't. And I am shipping this, so that's why I glued around it too. And right here, if you struggle and it keeps coming loose, like for me, use bigger. So I learned to use the bigger clear tape, and you won't have to struggle. And I'm gonna just glue that in the inside. See the paper keep coming off. And we're just gonna tape and keep on taping it across. So I gotta use all those little pieces of tape just to get it. No. And then right here you don't want that's where you don't want to pull it too tight because some of y'all I see y'all bouquets the paper starts I mean the money looks like it's scrunched together. That's the reason why because your paper is too tight. So right here at the bottom for this one, all you need is one sheet. And I'm going to use the rubber band to hold it in place. And you cut the rubber band off after you put the ribbon on, but it depends. I would say leave the rubber band because you never know if your ribbon gonna slip off or not. And then also glue your ribbon too. If your rubber band shows like glue the ribbon on top of the rubber band. But in here you do see me cut it off. Sometimes I cut it off, sometimes I don't. And this is how it turned out. So tell me what you think in the comments. And this is the end of the video.